PRAB Guardian is fitted with two 2-inch adjustable oil weirs in the tramp oil separator compartment. One is in the inlet of the separator, the second is in the media chamber. The weirs should be adjusted 1/8 to 1/4 inch above the coolant level while the separator supply pump is operating. Since the tramp oil is lighter than the coolant, it slowly builds a thicker layer on the surface until it eventually overflows through the oil weirs. If the customer receives too much coolant in their tramp oil drum, they'll need to increase the height of the oil weirs. Thanks to some design improvements, removing the media basket from a PRAB Guardian is simple. The shelf to the left of the media basket provides added room to move the media chamber oil weir to the left. This means that users will no longer have to remove the oil weir before removing the media basket. The media basket in the Guardian system has 2 eye bolts that can be used to lift the basket in and out. Make sure the equipment is empty before removing the basket. The floating skimmer is located in the main dirty compartment of the Guardian system. The skimmer is a floating weir that is adjusted to pull tramp oil and dirty coolant. 2 suction ports on both ends of the skimmer allow dirty coolant and tramp oil to be pumped using the separator supply pump. These suction ports should be adjusted to be halfway submerged. Adjusting the floating skimmer is accomplished by removing the plugs on top of the skimmer and filling it with water. The skimmer should freely float horizontally in the coolant. One side may need more water than the other to balance the weight from the hose and any fittings on the floating skimmer. If air is visible in the hose or a vortex can be seen around the skimmer weir, the ballast will need to be filled more. Allowing air into the separator supply pump will cause premature wear on this rubber stator in the pump.